We're going to talk about another quick improvement that you can make to your bass boat. This is a biggest ram mount that they make for electronics, and with days of large screen units, they're really heavy. Then there's a lot of stress that you can put on these units without supporting them properly. This is the biggest ram mount they make, and it's still just not enough support. So one of the things you can do is kind of make a homemade bounce buster. Basically what this does is it just basically forces this unit to not move this way, so it just gives you a little bit more support. You can make these out of just about anything. I actually used an old trolling motor that I cut the shaft on, and basically all I did was I filled the inside of it with some rubber cement, put a bolt in, used the bolt pattern that's on the bottom of my electronics bracket, got everything nice and set and tight, and then I just basically just used two cane tips just to kind of prevent some scratching. But there's a multitude of different things that you can use, basically, with just the intent of just putting a little bit more stability into your unit. I mean, you see, I have this tightened down all the way, and just this one support over here just basically, just gives that a little extra support, especially in rough water. You don't want these units flopping around. We spend a lot of money on our equipment, and you want to protect them as much as you can. And just something as simple as that can take a lot of stress out of your day. So this is another option you can do. This is basically just a wooden dowel that's basically just been plastic dipped and with some electrical tape put around it. But you can see here, you can just use basically the holes that aren't being used by mounting your graph onto the ball of the ram mount. Just kind of pick a hole pattern that works, and then screw right into that wooden dowel. And again, all it basically is doing is just preventing that unit from going a certain way, especially through rough water. I mean, these units are really heavy, screen's really big. We need that big screen when we're trying to find fish, but in rough water, sometimes it's a little tough trying to support that, even with the biggest ram mount that you can buy. So just that little bit extra support goes a long way.